Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Kartra affiliate pages safely. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To back up your Kartra affiliate pages safely, start by logging into your Kartra account. Navigate to the My Pages section on the dashboard. Locate the affiliate page you want to back up. Click on the three dots next to the page to open the options menu. Select Edit to enter the page editor. Once in the editor, look for the Settings tab on the left side. Click on Settings to access the page's setup options. Scroll down to find the backup feature in the settings. Click on Backup to initiate the backup process. A prompt will appear, confirming that you want to save a backup of your affiliate page. Confirm the backup by clicking the Yes button. Kartra will then generate a backup of your affiliate page. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that the backup was successful. To ensure your backup is safe, navigate to the My Backups section. Here, you will see a list of all the backups you've created. Verify that your recent backup appears in the list. For added security, download the backup file to your local device. Select the appropriate backup file and click the Download button. Once the download is complete, store the file in a secure location. Regularly repeat this process to ensure you always have the latest version of your affiliate pages backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.